Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your subscription with Disney Plus, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your subscription with Disney Plus, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.disneyplus.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Disney Plus account. After entering your credentials, click the login button again. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account from the drop-down options. On the account page, you will find your subscription details under the subscription section. Check the subscription status to confirm whether you are on an active plan. If your subscription is active, you will see the renewal date and payment method details. If you see an option to update payment details, ensure your payment information is current. If there are any issues, consider checking for error messages regarding your subscription status. For further assistance, scroll down to the Help Center or contact us link on the website. You can also check your email for any correspondence from Disney Plus regarding your subscription. If necessary, you can log out and log back into your account to refresh your subscription status. Once verified, you can start enjoying Disney Plus content seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.